Even the best knife will lose its sharpness over time. But what does sharpness actually mean? Sharpness is generally perceived subjectively. Objectively, a knife is said to be sharp when you can use it to easily cut through a normal sheet of paper. But why do we need a knife to be sharp? A sharp knife is safer than a blunt one because less effort is required when cutting. Cutting is more precise. Food is cut more cleanly, and you are able to work more quickly and easily. A knife can only cut as well as the sharpness of its blade allows. Regular use of a good knife sharpener is essential for maintaining the sharpness of the blade. If the knife has not been sharpened for some time, the cutting edge becomes rounded and dull. The cutting edge needs to be treated to re-establish its sharpness. It is easy to sharpen your knife if you have the right tool and know how to use it correctly. Zwilling has several options available for sharpening your knives. The Twin Sharp Select is suitable for both right and left-handed users. Thanks to the separate sharpening modules, you can choose between a coarse honing and a final fine honing. Place the rubber feet of the Twin Sharp Select on a level surface. Hold the handle part of the knife sharpener in your right or left hand so that your thumb and forefinger are touching. Make sure that the knife blade to be sharpened is clean and dry. If your knife is very blunt, first use Module 1. Insert the knife into the sharpening slot with the cutting edge facing downwards and pull it towards your body, exerting slight pressure from the heel of the blade to the tip. Repeat this process several times. In the next stage, or with only slightly blunt knives, it is usually sufficient to use Module 2. Pull the knife several times through the grinding slot. Never press the cutting edge onto the rollers. Use a cloth to clean the sharpened knife and check how successful the sharpening process has been by testing the knife on a tomato or a sheet of newspaper.